You might not be thinking about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra just yet, but Samsung certainly is. Despite the Galaxy S24's recent launch in January, the development of the next flagship model is already underway. And with rumors starting to surface, we can't help but wonder what's in store. 思考的脸. Although we don't have all the details about next year's highly anticipated release, the bits of information we do have, combined with Samsung's history of innovation, are enough to get us excited for more updates. And with Samsung's focus on Galaxy IE features this year, we can expect even more exciting developments with the Galaxy S25 series, including the Ultra variant. The battle for the best camera phone is heating up, and Samsung is gearing up to take the lead. Early whispers suggest that camera enhancements are a top priority for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, as Samsung aims to outshine Apple and dominate the market. Aufsteigendes Diagramm. But what can we expect from the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let's dive into the latest rumors and speculations. Design: will Samsung stick with the tried and true titanium frame, or will they surprise us with a new look? 思考的脸. Cameras: what new features and upgrades can we expect from the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera system? Cámara con flash. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to boast an impressive array of upgrades, including display: a larger 6.36-inch screen on the entry-level model and a massive 6.9-inch display on the Ultra variant. Mobiltelefon. Cameras: a mind-blowing 200-megapixel main sensor and 100-megapixel space zoom capability, with potential enhancements on the horizon. Cámara con flash. Performance: the lightning-fast Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, building on the success of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. 笔记本电脑. Battery life: a reliable 5,000 mAh battery and 45W charging speed, with speculation surrounding potential battery upgrades. Batterie. When the Galaxy S25 Ultra arrives, it'll be running on Android 15 with an impressive 7-year software support guarantee. Exploding head, but that's not all. We're expecting enhanced Galaxy IE features, potentially with generative AI capabilities, courtesy of Bixby. Robotergesicht. But what else can we expect from the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Here are some exciting possibilities. Satellite connectivity, a feature that's already proven successful in iPhone 14 and 15 models, making it a logical addition for Samsung. Parabolantenne. Exclusive features: will any of the new features be reserved for the Ultra model, or will they be available across all variants like the Galaxy S24? 思考的脸. Samsung executives have hinted at big things for the Galaxy S25 series, and we can't wait to see what they have in store. Stay tuned for more updates, and join us as we explore the exciting possibilities for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. 左倾放大镜